Morning yoga and breathing exercises for stress relief and beginners. Welcome to our sunrise session, where we embrace the day with a calming breath. Let's start our journey towards serenity together. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with rejuvenating morning air. Feel the freshness energize your body, preparing you for the day ahead. Now, gently transition into the mountain pose. Stand tall, feet together, with your arms at your sides. Breathe in peace, breathe out tension. As the sun kisses the horizon, let's flow into the tree pose. Balance on one foot, find your center, and reach skyward. With each breath, imagine stress melting away, leaving room for clarity and focus. Feel the harmony between your body and mind. Now, gracefully lower yourself into the seated forward bend. As you extend, breathe out worries. Breathe in calmness and light. Thank you for sharing this tranquil morning with us. Carry this serenity throughout your day, knowing peace is just a breath away.